To sync our gradebook, we're going to start in Infinite Campus. Under the Gradebook, we're going to click on Settings, and then we're going to go to Categories because we need to make sure that our grading categories have been set up. So to set up the categories, you'll at the bottom go to Add, and then you'll type in the name of the category. So let's say I wanted to make a category called Projects. Now I already have that category, but I'm going to call it Projects. I'm going to set the weight to my projects to 30 and click it for all sections. That way I have to click all sections first. So once you've clicked that, it drops down. You'll notice everything's at 30. I can click Save, and I'm just for the sake going to click Close, but I'm going to click Save because I already have that category for project, and you'll see that it's weighted. So now that you have a category, you're going to do that for all the different grading categories. And once you have your categories set and you do each one, add, you type it, then you click all of them, you type the weight. Then once you have the weight, actually I have to hit cancel, close, okay. Then you're going to go over to Schoology. So in Schoology, we're going to go to the Gradebook, and then for every class, when you enter a grade from what you've gotten turned in, there's two ways to do this. The first way is this refresh button. It says Sync Changes to Infinite Campus. We're going to click on that, and that will send all of this gradebook data over to Infinite Campus. It's going to take about a minute, and you can see on the left side when you scroll, there's an Infinite Campus section. It will, when you click on this tab, tell you that it's currently successfully synced or not yet synced, or it's in the process. So I have a lot of things because it records everything. However, the one that I've just clicked and synced over is going to get sent to Infinite Campus. And if I refresh my gradebook, it should have uncategorized assignments on the top with a little red notification. So I have the uncategorized assignments. So we have to click on this to categorize in the gradebook whether this for me is a project, a assessment, or an assignment. So I can click on uncategorized assessments, and for this assignment, Remixed Caterpillar, I'm going to go and set it to quarter grade. Everything will always be set to quarter grade. And then for the category, this is a remix, so that to me is a project assignment. So I'd click on project, and then I click save. These two that I've not yet categorized will stay there. And when I click save all and OK, I can close that. And I now have this new category that's been populated in 1.2.7. Now, only a couple of grades have been turned in because it's due today and I haven't seen the students yet. However, you still have these two that you're able to put in. So for the uncategorized assignments, like I said, only the ones that are still there are going to be the ones that are not yet mapped. And that's how you sync it. And then every day when you want to map your gradebook, you just go over to either sync changes for each of the sections. So that'd be section 2, section 5. So you have to manually go through and sync it, or you can go to each gradebook and you can sync that there. Hopefully this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know.